Good afternoon and welcome to all the guests, participants, and attendees today. I was asked to give a perspective from the faculty's position. Well, the faculty are very excited about the new Academic Health Center. This new facility definitely shows the commitment Palmer has to the faculty, students, and the profession at large. Together, the college and the faculty are setting standards of care, and this facility brings the latest technologies and research to our fingertips to do that. Not only does this building showcase the talents of our faculty, the clinical faculty, but demonstrates the excellence of all our faculty as the students culminate through their educational experience. The college also has this facility that stands and symbols to us as a challenge to further to be the best in all our respective fields. The Academic Health Center is that symbol to us, which of course is evident because Palmer is chiropractic. Thank you all.
And the second half of the heart and soul of this building and its success is the staff. And I'd like to welcome to the podium Valerie Moreau, who will represent the staff for the new building. Valerie is by default our ambassador of good cheer and first impressions because her workspace is represented as the first thing that you see from the patient lot walking in. So Valerie, please.
Thank you all so much for coming out tonight. I hope you're all so honored as I am to be here. As part of the support staff here, I'd just like to say that I'm so very pleased to be taking part in this wonderful journey that we are all, that's taking place right now. It seems like yesterday I'd walk into work and I would look over and just see the beginning of once was just, something that was just discussed and talked about, from the groundbreaking to the bulldozers to the frame of the building. It's so great to see it all happening. It's amazing to see, and now I'm glad that you all can see it also. I think that not only is this a great journey for we staff and faculty, but also for our patients, who are the most important part of Palmer. And so I think that with our new improved state-of-the-art facility, I also think that the patients are going to get the great care that they deserve. And I also know that I've been here for 7 years and I've heard some amazing stories from our patients, and I think that that means a lot to me. And I know that here at Palmer there's some great things happening for our patients, and I think that means number one as a patient myself. And I know that with the new Academic Health Center there's going to be even better things yet to come for our patients. I think there's a lot of credit that needs to go out to a lot of people for making all of this happen. I want to thank everyone who had anything to do with making the new Academic Health Center happen, and I think that I'd like to thank everyone, no matter their role, because we all have come together to make it all happen. I want to thank the students for understanding the changes that we put them through. I want to help the doctors who've helped us. They've been phenomenal in helping implement these changes. I think that's number one. It definitely takes a lot to do, and we've worked really hard at doing just that for everyone, and so I hope everyone's happy to see that. Let's see here. There's so much I want to say. I'm almost at a loss for words. But I do want to thank everyone for all their hard work, from everyone from the planning of the building to the architects to the funding. So thank you all so much, and also thank you to the staff who've made it a pretty seamless transition to get done. It's been hard work, but we've definitely made it happen. And so I'm just absolutely honored to be a member of the new Academic Health Center. And so thank you all so much for coming out, and I'm sure it'll be a great experience for you all. Thank you so much.
Secondary to the positive impact on our patients, this building will have a huge impact on our program and the students that go through that program. And to discuss that, I would like to welcome James Leonetti to this stage. James is a 7th trimester student from Bridgeport, West Virginia, and he is also the current president of the Student Council.
Two and a half years ago, I was presented with a life-changing decision. At the time, I was working as an investigator with the Food and Drug Administration and received a call from my supervisor. She said that I had been promoted to the Foreign Inspections Cadre and would soon be having my first inspection in Ireland. Now, this is a goal I had been working towards since I started FDA 3 years earlier. But that same week, I received a call from Sarah Frimmel in the admissions department here at school. She told me that I fulfilled all the requirements and that I could start Palmer at any time. So here I was faced with a tough decision. Do I further rewarding career that I absolutely enjoy, or do I go and fulfill a lifelong goal in the healthcare field? Do I go to Ireland, or do I go to Iowa? Today, as I stand before you, I know that I made the right decision. But think about the prospective students who are in a similar situation. This building will make a difference. Just imagine going around for the first time with your campus guide, and he stops in the building and says, "This is it. This is going to be your new clinic. We have the finest chiropractic facility in the world. We have these private treatment rooms. We have brand new equipment and state-of-the-art technology. We have this huge, amazing radiology suite and this large rehab center. This will be yours to use." There is no doubt that having this facility here will make an impact on their decision to pursue chiropractic here at Palmer. I'm telling you, these future students will experience what our current student body is, and that is enthusiasm. And this building is a big part of it. 2/3 of the body did not know that this clinic was going to be here when we started school. I am one of those. But now it's here, and it's amazing. All of my classmates are itching to be some of the first to demonstrate our Palmer-taught knowledge and skills in this new clinic. We're going to have the benefit of these large private rooms, a paperless record-keeping system, new tables, and of course, the all-knowing radiology suite downstairs. So tell me, if you had the choice, would you go to Ireland or Iowa? I'm confident that my classmates and I made the right decision. And the decision will be made easier for future students too. So on behalf of the students, current and future ones, thank you for this wonderful new facility. We look forward to having the AHC as an important part of our Palmer education.